Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications to all so you will not miss a video. So really quick, I just wanted to come on and share with y'all what I found at the Dollar Tree today. I didn't look around for a bunch of new stuff, but I did come across this. I ran in there for an item and I did come out with about 5 others, but you know how that goes. But I came across this FREEMAN Flirty Feet Cracked Heel Foot Treatment. It's a repairing cream. It has neem oil and shea butter in it. And I just put it on to try it out, and wow, it makes your feet so shiny looking and soft and smooth. So far I like it. It says use 2 to 3 times a week. But the last time I showed you guys this was actually in a Five Below video, and that's where I had seen it at the most, was Five Below, and I think it was $3 or $5 there. It might have been $3, so $1.25 is a good price for this. And a nice heel foot treatment, especially with it being time to wear sandals now. You know, we got to keep those feet looking moisturized and smooth and pretty. And then I wanted to update you guys on this. If you guys remember, or if y'all missed the video, I will put a link in the description box. But I was testing out these Global Beauty Care Exfoliating Foot Treatment wearable like mask sock thingies. But if you guys can see, I'm trying to zoom in here. It says peels away calluses and dead skin cells, softens cracked heels and rough dry feet. And you are supposed to wear them for, I think it's 60 to 90 minutes. And then within 4 to 7 days, which is right here, you will see your feet will start to peel. And it actually worked, y'all. I had put them on, and by the 3rd day I started noticing my feet were peeling, and I forgot that I had put these on, that they were supposed to make my feet peel days later. So I was looking at my feet crazy, like, what the heck is wrong with my feet? And yeah, it was starting to peel a little bit. By day 4, they were massively peeling. Day 5, 6, 7, I mean, totally peeled. And then like by day 8, it was just about done. I had a little bit of peeling on like my toe, a little bit on the heel, a little bit on the side of my foot. But for those few other days, the peeling was like massive. I don't know, I might have took some pictures of what they looked like on the 3rd or 4th day. If so, I'll insert them now so you guys can I forgot to mention how super soft my feet were after using these. But also remember, you may not want to wear sandals for the first few days while your feet are peeling. You guys see these at your local Dollar Tree, pick them up. I picked me up another pack today when I got this. These were next to it, and they also had hydrating. I don't think the hydrating ones makes your feet peel. If you don't want that peeling effect, they do have ones just for making your feet soft. I'll show you another one. This is another one that I have from Dollar Tree. It's just a uplifting, nourishing, and softening foot mask. And this one, I don't think, yeah, it just says keep on for 15 to 30 minutes. And your skin will just feel moist and soft after use. This is not a peeling one. It's just to make your feet feel soft. So if you guys don't like the peeling, just look for a regular, you know, softening, hydrating, or, you know, mask. They have it by Global Beauty, and they also have it by Be Pure. So yeah, y'all, I just want to update you guys on this. I liked it so much, I went out and got another pack. Like when I seen it, I was like, oh, I have to have another one. This was amazing. It worked so well. And I just put this on my feet. It looks really good. I don't know if you guys can kind of see the shine on my feet. I've been walking around without my socks and stuff on, so excuse the pinky. I cannot get my pinky nail off. I was taking my nails off today and this was stuck. But yeah, they're nice and shiny. Yeah, this stuff is great. This is awesome. I'll be trying this next, so you guys just make sure you keep an eye out for an update video on this foot mask, and I'll tell you guys how I like that one. But yeah, that's it, y'all. I just wanted to share that with you guys really quick. If you guys do go out and look for these items, be sure to let me know in the comments below if you find them. And yeah, that's it. Thank y'all for watching.